Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. First, let's prepare your mobile device. Begin by ensuring your phone is fully charged and powered on. Then, access your phone's settings menu and locate the Bluetooth option. Toggle Bluetooth to the on position. It is crucial to also ensure your device is set to discoverable or visible so your Mercedes-Benz can find it during the pairing process. This initial step is vital for a smooth connection. Now, let's move to your Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Start by turning on your vehicle's ignition. Locate the central console or steering wheel. You will find a dedicated TEL or phone button. Press this to access the phone menu. If your model has a different interface, you can also navigate to the main display and select the phone option from the on-screen menu. This action prepares your car for device pairing. Once you are in the car's phone menu, the next step is to initiate the search for your mobile device. On your vehicle's display, you will see an option to connect device or connect new device. Select this. Following that, choose the search for phone from vehicle option. Finally, press Start Search to command your Mercedes-Benz to scan for nearby Bluetooth-enabled phones. This process typically takes a few moments as the system looks for available devices. After the search is complete, your mobile device's name should appear on the Mercedes-Benz display. Select your phone from this list. A 6-digit passkey will then be shown on both your car's screen and your phone. Carefully compare these codes to ensure they match exactly. Once confirmed, accept the pairing request on your phone and then on your car's display. Your phone is now successfully connected, allowing for hands-free calls and audio streaming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.